So you have an Apple and you have a watch. You combine them together and you get an Apple Watch. Welcome to the Apple Watch Series 9 unboxing, okay? So this is a brand new Apple Watch and it's supposedly, allegedly eco-friendly, okay? But let's get into the eco-friendly unboxing of the Apple Watch. So the box is pretty bland. It just says Apple Watch. You know, it has like an Apple logo and a watch, okay? But yeah, let's just get into opening it, okay? As I open this shit, my clumsy ass drops all the boxes inside, okay? And yeah, basically, if you guys want to see more of me dropping stuff, please like and subscribe for more content like this. So you have the Apple Watch band, okay? And it is pretty eco-friendly apparently. But yeah, it's an Apple Watch band. Let's put that to the side. Let's go to the Apple Watch box, which is also supposedly eco-friendly. But this is the Apple Watch Series 9, 41 millimeters, midnight, I think, color. But yeah, let's take off the security seals. Let's get into the unboxing itself. So as we open it, we hope that there's an Apple Watch inside, hopefully. And yeah, there is one. Thank the Lord. And yeah, that's basically the Apple Watch. It's pretty, depending on your wrist size, it's pretty small. But yeah, so this is like the charging cable in the eco-friendly casing. Eco-friendly, guys. And then let's just open it up. You know, it's like the wireless thing where it's like magnetic and stuff. Yeah, it's some bullshit with like USB-C. But yeah, let's put this shit to the side. And let's put the other thing to the side too. Let's get into the band. So the band is an eco-friendly casing. And let's take off the seal. And let's unbox this eco-friendly bitch, okay? And yeah, Apple, they put an Apple band inside, okay? And they want to make this shit super hard to open. And yeah, basically this is the band itself. It's just the band. Don't know really what to tell you. But yeah, let's just get into the Apple Watch. Let's slide it out of its eco-friendly casing. And yeah, it's basically this is a 41 millimeter midnight black. It has a sensor on the back. That shit rhymes, but yeah, basically there's a sensor that can like heartbeat, ECG, whatever you want it to do. And yeah, it's pretty small depending on your wrist size. If you have like a bigger wrist, I would recommend the bigger version. But yeah, it's powered on, and so it takes a bit of time to power on. But yeah, this is basically the watch itself. I'm gonna pair it, and I know that the band is placed incorrectly, okay? It is incorrect, you know, whatever, latching on, I don't know. But yeah, after pairing it, you know, the watch paired, okay? But yeah, it's basically, it has basic functions. What I would say is that for a normal person that just needs to look at the time and stuff, this does help you. But like a normal watch also does that, and so, which is much cheaper. But yeah, basically, if you need it for fitness or something, that would be good. But yeah, this is the charging cable. You know, it's magnetic. You could probably like jerk it really hard and it won't fly off or anywhere. But yeah, that's basically the Apple Watch charging. And yeah, this is basically the video. This is how it looks like on my wrist. And I know the band's wrong. Please don't bombard me with stuff about that. But yeah, this is basically it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys inside the next one.